Hey everyone.
Hi.
Yeah, it's great seeing you all. So, yeah, again, it's me after a while, George. I'm the co founder and CEO of Stakpak, and Noor, my colleague
Hi,
and our
man.
DevRel, who is going to lead us today on an OpenClaw deployment party.
So, should we start or wait one more minute?
Let me send a blast with a new YouTube link, and then we can start. So, just a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we're ready.
Awesome. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see myself on your screen.
Okay. So we prepared like a slash command to deploy Claw really fast and like securely. So all I have to do is write slash Claw, and it will start by gathering, uh, like uh, like asking us some questions. For example, which channel do we want to use, and do we as per the token. First, here it's asking me if I have an existing VPS or I want to deploy it locally, but we will choose Lightsail. It's an AWS service. And then here it will ask me for the messaging channel. And here I'll choose Telegram. And then I think it will ask for the tokens. Yeah, it automatically read the token because I added them in a file before the stream. Here it's saying
So, what's
we
the what's the what's the difference between Lightsail and just having like a regular virtual machine?
nothing, but like Lightsail is a managed service, so it's a lot more easier, and it's also cost efficient and secure by default. So you don't need to worry about the security or anything. Uh, Here I'm
So it's
getting
exactly
this
like a
one.
pre-configured. So it's like a
EC2
pre-configured
machine.
hardened virtual machine. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Cool. Yeah.
here it's asking for the Telegram user ID. And also, you can do a lot of other stuff with Lightsail. They have like blueprints, pre-configured virtual machines for a lot of stuff. Now here it is testing to make sure that the token is correct. Now it will create the machine. It already recognized that the chat group that I made on Telegram. And here it's making sure like it has access to AWS. Now it's checking the availability zones. And here it made like a plan. It will create an instance and allocate and attach a static IP and then set up SSH and try to connect to the machine. Now it's creating the machine. After it gets deployed, we'll be setting up monitoring. So Stakpak will monitor OpenClaw 24/7 and alert us if it went down or something.
So now we're waiting for the instance to be ready, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's already ready.
Yeah. Now it's attaching the static IP. Now it's creating and downloading the SSH key. So Stakpak can connect to the machine and configure it. Now it's testing the connection. Now, yeah, now it's connected to the machine and it is working. Now it's gonna create an IAM role so it can connect to Amazon Bedrock.
So you're using Bedrock for inference?
It is pre-configured with the light sail.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you don't need to do anything. You just need to connect to Bedrock and it will just work.
Yeah, so
That's
so
all
we don't
from
need to create API keys for the LLMs for access LLMs. Like, what
yeah.
model is it using by default?
I think Opus 4.6. I mean, we'll see. But yeah,
Sweet. Mm. So this is my first time deploying OpenClaw, so I'm super excited to see how it looks like.
what do you think about OpenClaw?
Yeah, it's fun. It's like putting your agent on a loop and giving it chat access so you can talk to it anytime. Like I personally love this because I always wanted to code on the like in transit using my phone, and this is a very nice way to like automate more tasks, not just coding through the phone. Ah, I see here it's using the Sonnet
So
4.6.
yeah, but like it has access to the other models too. So I think we can change it.
Oh, it's fine. Mm. Yeah, Sonnet is a bit faster.
I already did that. It's asking us to fill a form to turn the
hmm.
model. I was I was talking to. I mean, oh, we don't need that.
Okay. Okay, now it's trying to set up Telegram, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
It's amazing. Like we're already 11 minutes in this stream and yeah, it's already up and running.
yeah. I
Fingers
think it
crossed.
takes like 15 to 20 minutes.
Hmm.
Uh, and we will even set up like a Stakpak Autopilot. Now it turned on the Telegram plugin. It's configuring the security, and also after it finishes, it will do a security audit to make sure everything is working fine.
Oh, so the steps end to end is like connecting, like firing up Stackpack, entering /claw, then pointing it to AWS. It will deploy using Lightsail, configure access to the model, configure access to your channels like Telegram, Slack, WhatsApp, like whatever you're connecting your OpenClaw to. Then a security audit, then set up Autopilot to monitor OpenClaw, so because like it's notoriously difficult to keep OpenClaw running. And then finally, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, and like after each step, it will test to make sure like everything is working fine, so it can
Hmm.
move to the next step. So for example, like earlier, it tested that we entered the correct token, and now it's like doing like checking for the security issues. It feels like it's what Siri should be, you know.
Yes. It's interesting though, like I can see Ubuntu here. It's interesting that AWS would like set up OpenClaw with Lightsail on Ubuntu and not on Amazon Linux.
I think it's because it will work by default, probably. Now it's checking the fire wall.
I really love how fast LLMs are at like writing commands like bash commands.
Yeah, see, it's
Wow,
working
it's
now.
live.
Yeah, and the security audit is complete. Now it will tell us like if it needs to change something or
How do we know it's actually connected to Telegram? Like, where we text it? Like, how we're going
yeah. Let me
to
check.
check it's working? Will it log anything?
Log what? Like for what?
Like when you text it on Telegram, like would it log anything on the server, or just like reply back to you?
No, it replied back to me asking me to give it a name.
Okay.
I will call it
What are you going to
Stackpack.
name your baby?
Stackpack.
Congratulations.
It is asking if that's my name.
Your name? Okay. So
Yeah,
maybe call it Noor Junior or something.
it's just working now. Like and here you can
Maybe
see.
this is your lifeline. Like this is going to be like your bright spot when AI takes over. Like Noor Junior
Yeah,
will
I will
still
treat
remember.
it gently. Yeah.
Set it up.
I won't
Yeah.
say sorry and please. Now that we have Claw ready, like I think it took like 15 minutes. Now
Hmm.
now it's asking, it's checking if Stakpak Autopilot is installed and checking like which model are we using. And now here we'll choose a channel that uh, Stakpak will.
So like let's get back a step. Like I think like what
Yeah.
why are you setting Stackpack here now? Like what's the
Okay,
role of
so
Stackpack?
we
Like I mean, we already deployed OpenClaw. Like why do you need it?
so I want to make sure that like OpenClaw will stay working 24/7. So now we'll set up a monitor so Stackpack can check every 5 minutes if OpenClaw is working or not. And if it is not working, it
Mm.
will send me a message on Slack and investigate the issue and try to fix it. And it runs in a sandbox environment.
Amazing. Like are we going to try this live?
Yeah, yeah, we will.
Break our claw?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
cool.
here it's
Exciting.
asking first we need to set up like Stakpak Autopilot. So I'll choose the channel, Slack, and then it will ask me for the tokens. I'll just copy paste them. 1 second. Here the Slack app token. And then it will automatically like recommend and set up the like scripts to monitor OpenClaw. Now it's testing like the channels. I set up Telegram before, so it also shows. But here you can see it will be working in a workspace called Stakpak Prod.
Where
And
is Stackpack Autopilot running? On the same Lightsail instance, or like is it somewhere else?
no, right now it's running on my local machine, but also you can run it on an
Hmm.
EC2. And it is now configured, so maybe you can check Slack. Yeah, it's
Wow.
configured in this channel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it will create scripts to make sure everything, like the scripts that will check OpenClaw. I think they already exist in this directory. Yeah.
Okay, so there's a health script, channel script, model script, and a resources script.
Yeah. Like it makes
What do they
each
do?
one of them monitor something. So this monitors
Hmm.
the health of the channels, and the models make sure like Bedrock is working, and the resources make sure that like the CPU and RAM and storage are not are not 100% used,
Hmm.
and health.sh check that actually OpenClaw is working. And here it's testing the scripts. So you can see the
Hmm.
resources shows that the disk is 80% used. Now it will add the schedules to Stakpak Autopilot. And here it says that it will run the health checks every 5 minutes.
Yeah, we have a question. Let me get that. Um, so here it's saying, is it possible to use Stakpak to set up OpenClaw and build a multi-agent system? Can it support configuring agents to perform scheduled tasks such as email filtering? Yes, definitely. So you can definitely use Stakpak to set up multiple OpenClaws and monitor all of them from a single Stakpak instance. Uh, but as saw, like you can set up custom check scripts to do anything, and depending on whether you trigger this check scripts on like success or failure, it will spin up the Stakpak agent to do something.
So now it's doing a dry run
Yeah.
to check that everything is working end to end.
And you don't have to write the schedule yourself. You can just prompt, and Stackpack is going to configure autopilot for you with the script by writing the script, by setting the schedule, and so on. Maybe you
Yeah,
can try actually something now. Like we can try asking it to make the schedule run more frequently, like every 10 seconds or every 5 seconds or something. So when we test it, like and when OpenClaw goes down, like it's more responsive.
okay. It's it is just like testing that to make sure everything
Mm.
is working, and I think now it's done.
Okay, we're going to break it.
Yeah, but let's first change how often the schedule runs. And here it also made an cost estimate of how much it's gonna cost us. This is light sail plus bedrock. It is asking which one you want to monitor every 3 minutes. I will choose all.
So that's yani Abdurrahman, this is what I said. Like you can just prompt it and it will set up the scripts and the schedules for you. You don't have to learn anything about like how the CLI works or the syntax. So you can ask it to like if it's doable using a CLI, then you can probably do it with Stackpack, like or with a script. So you can write a Python script that goes through like email filtering or like trigger workflows and run this script. And the agent only comes in when the script fails or succeeds, like depending on when you want to run the agent. So so now it's giving you a warning about how many SSH connections it's going to make. Okay.
And now we'll stop OpenClaw on purpose to see if it's that back like autopilot, how is it gonna
Mm.
run the schedule? Now it will start in 3 minutes.
Are we going to get any notification or like
Yeah, we'll
I
get notification on Slack. I have it here, so let's see.
okay. Yeah, you kept getting the same a lot of notifications about it, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And even like I tried it few days before with ECS, and it also worked.
So what is cheaper, running OpenClaw on ACS or on Lightsail?
On Lightsail. I
Lightsail is
tried
cheaper?
both.
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah,
Yeah, now we have to wait for 3 minutes.
should I manually trigger it or should we wait?
No, we should definitely wait. Yeah, that's why I
Okay.
suggested like we make the trigger every 10 seconds or something, so we don't have to wait a lot.
Do we have any questions?
So far, no. But yeah, please feel free to ask away while we're waiting. I think there's 1 minute left. I want to see how it would look on Slack. So can we wait there? Yeah, it should come in any minute now. So how much did it cost running this on ECS instead?
Uh, I think it was 25, but it took like 52 minutes
Hmm.
without Bedrock.
Yeah, definitely. I think because you need to create a cluster, not just like the compute. Um,
Yeah, it should send it now. Yeah, that's this one,
yeah,
right?
it just did.
820.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's in the thread? Ah, okay. Actually, let me hide the comments so that people can see. Okay, yeah, here. Now
Yeah,
everyone
multiple.
can
We
see.
got multiple alerts because everything is literally failing.
Yeah, all all the all the checks, all the four checks. You should have gotten four alerts or just three.
I think
If
Bedrock
it
will
changed.
stay working.
Oh yeah, Bedrock is working. So
Yeah.
all three. Yeah, that's right.
And
Okay,
here you
so
can
what
see
is
it's
it do?
investigating, like trying to
Mm.
investigate what happened. Uh, and now it's like doing an SSH and running the diagnostic commands in parallel to understand the issue.
Yeah, we can keep like following through the investigation on Slack. We can't find the SSH
Yes,
key. Okay.
it's trying because there are multiple SSH keys.
Yeah, that's fine. Just like approve. What is going on?
There are multiple tool calls.
Yeah, I think now it's like trying to check the system, like the systemd status. Which thread are you on? Because like it's confusing. I think are you switching threads
It
or is it the
is
same thing? Yeah, okay.
no, it's the health one.
Yeah, I think it's checking the logs now. Can you configure it like to just auto run commands instead? Okay, no. Yeah, it found out like the service stopped. Okay.
Yeah, it shows that someone shut it down cleanly, but it didn't restart automatically.
Yeah, awesome. So now I think it's going to just restart it.
It now, yeah, now it will restart.
Hmm. I think we caught a bug. Like, why are the buttons still clickable after you approve? Yeah, might need to fix that.
Now it's checking if it's fully healthy again. Yeah, and that's the summary. Yeah, I
Ah,
think that's it.
amazing.
Let me try to find the ECS ECS thread here. Like you can see, the ECS was unhealthy, and then it investigated
Hmm.
and fixed it on its own and figured out the root cause and on which account, and then it fixed itself here.
Amazing. Let me bring back the comments section. So if anyone has any comments, we would love to take that now. Yeah, I think like in 30 minutes you deployed OpenClaw, you set up a babysitter for OpenClaw on your local machine, but you can also do that on a remote server as well. Like we have our own instance of Stakpak Autopilot running on a virtual machine to monitor our infrastructure. But yeah, if you have any questions or things you'd like us to see us doing, we'd love to do that. No more questions? Okay. Thank you so much, Noor, for the setup. This was fun. It's my first time seeing like OpenClaw being deployed live. Um, yeah, I'll try it myself now. So yeah, thank you, and see you all in our next stream. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.